In a recent driver update, Wacom began showing messages about tablets no longer being supported. For older tablets like my Cintiq 27 QHD, the new driver actually made my tablet unusable. The pin input became fixed on my primary display, and display toggle would not work. The Cintiq 27 QHD was no longer being recognized by the Wacom control panel or the Wacom Center. If this has happened to you, fear not. I'll show you how I got my tablet working again. First, I would recommend avoiding any updates to the Wacom driver. For my device, 6.4.10-3 works fine for my older Cintiq and the newer Cintiq 24. I'll go ahead and update so you can see what will happen. As you can see, now my Cintiq 27 QHD no longer works. Now let's fix the problem by rolling back to an older driver. Uninstalling the driver will erase your settings for the pen and express keys, so open the Wacom Center and back up your settings. Next, search Wacom's driver page for your device and download the most current driver. If the suggested one doesn't work, you can also choose from older versions. Now, uninstall the most recent driver that does not support your device. After that, restart your computer. After restarting, if anything pops up asking you to install a Wacom driver, just close it. You do not want the latest driver. Now install the last known compatible driver you just downloaded. Once installed, restart again. When your computer is booted up again, open Wacom Center and restore your backed up settings. Now your tablet should be working just like it was before the update broke things. Pen pressure works, as does multi-touch. This should work for non-display tablets like the Intuos as well. If you aren't able to vary your pen pressure, you may want to double-check that Windows Ink is enabled for your pen. You may also need to select Windows Ink in your art application's tablet settings if WinTab isn't working. While this does fix the problem, it's hard to know for how long. Eventually, a newer version of your operating system will come out, and your driver may no longer be compatible. I think this is still many years away, and you should be able to enjoy your tablet for some time. Another uncommon problem would be if you have a newer Wacom tablet installed on the same system, you might also eventually run into issues where the old driver is too old for the newer device. That's all for this tutorial. If I helped you bring your tablet back to life, please show your support in whatever way you can. I'll link you to some ideas in the video description.